Welcome to InterWeave Smart Solutions. Let's take a look at the payment gateway for credit card and ACH processing in either your CRM or your website. So on our homepage, interweave.biz, Smart Solution Categories, let's select Payment Gateway. Landing page is background information on merchant accounts, Smart Payment Gateway details, credit card payment flow, recurring billing information, and also the data sheet. So in the data sheet, you can see here on the right-hand side, we integrate with some of the most popular merchant services providers, but if you don't see yours, just let us know and we'll incorporate that into a solution for you. Additionally, there's full documentation. So under Services, Training and Support, Smart Links, Help and Training, you're going to find the credit card payment gateway on the index on the left-hand side. Let's take a look at that. Here is the Salesforce to Authorize.net integration, and so for example, custom fields. So in order to do a credit card transaction in your CRM, you're going to select account or opportunity levels. Once you've done that, here's the information: credit card client, expiration dates, credit card bills. So if it's a recurring payment, here we go, just select the day of the month you wish to have this transaction fire on. And additionally, here's a custom object that we're going to create underneath an account or opportunity, and this is called transaction. So every time you do a transaction with Authorize.net, we'll be creating a new record here: approve, decline, information, all that type of detail. So step 2, register on our portal with your credentials. We'll be showing you how to do that. Activation of your flows. Now we have 4 models: professional, premier, small business, and enterprise. If it's enterprise, your flows are going to be just set the timing for whenever you'd like to have this transaction fire. So every 1 minute, collect every 3 minutes. Or if it's professional, premier, or small business, we're going to create a custom button on your account or opportunity. So let's just take a look at these now. Up here is login. Let's go over to our portal. And if it's first time in, new company, fill in this information. The solution type would be, in this case, Salesforce Payment Gateway, but we've already created one. So let's go to Edit Company Profile. And our password. Now let's take a look at the company profile. And next, so here you can see the detail of the configuration. Here's the Salesforce credentials, here's the Authorize.net credentials, and then other properties. I've selected to have an email sent to me after a data or communication error and a full daily report in the morning. So if it's enterprise, let's take a look at what this would look like. And so here we've generated flows. And so at the left-hand side, these are scheduled transaction flows. So for example, if I click on Start and set the timing for 60,000 milliseconds is 1 minute, 180,000 will be every 3 minutes, for example. Or down here, these are individual utility transactions. So for example, the bottom one, auth.net, is for a named account, just one test, or DR is a date range. So you can do that way. Now let's go take a look how this would look in professional, premier, and small business over in Salesforce. So here's Salesforce. Let's go to opportunities. Let's select an opportunity here. Here's one, SFQB Lite Test CC. And when this comes up, you can see over here, date is 4/17, but the stage is negotiation review. So let's change that. And let's change that to closed won. Additionally, you can see down here, here's our credit card transactions for $1, dates 4/17, and Robert Warner is our individual. Now additionally, at the bottom here, you can see our transactions. So here we go. Here's your transaction. There's one here from a previous test. So let's fire. Here's our custom button, Opportunity CC Processing. It's over to Authorize. Back it comes. You can see now that the date is now 4/20, and transactions, here we go, just created, and there's a detail for $1 for Robert Warner. So sales at interweave.biz. Look forward to working with you.